Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Lenovo Smartwatch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, let's tap on the Personal Center icon, then select our Watch S2 from the list of connected devices, and on this page, you should see the Remove Device option in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, tap on Confirm, and the watch should disappear from the list of devices. Also, you can check on the watch. You should see this icon under or next to the battery, this antenna icon, I would say. And if it has no bars around it, this means it's the watch is not connected to a phone. So basically, our watch is unpaired from our phone. You could also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone, just in case. And if you find your watch on the list of the connected devices right here, as you can see, we have none. But for some reason, if you had it right here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device again to disconnect it from your phone. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.